In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view customer orders fast and easy. If you manage an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, keeping track of customer orders efficiently is essential for smooth operations. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Accessing your dashboard should be your first step every time you need to manage your store. You can easily do this by typing your website's URL followed by wp-admin into your browser. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the WooCommerce tab on the left-hand side. WooCommerce is the plugin responsible for turning your WordPress website into a fully functional online store. By clicking on WooCommerce, you open up access to a variety of essential features, such as products, analytics, and of course, orders. Clicking on this tab will reveal a drop-down menu where you can access several options. From there, locate and click on the Orders option. This is where all the magic happens, as Orders houses all the transactions made on your store. Clicking on Orders will take you to a screen displaying a list of all customer purchases. On this page, you can see various details such as order number, customer name, order date, status, and total amount. This list provides a quick overview of what's happening in your store. Next, to view the specifics of any individual order, you simply click on the order from the list that you'd like to learn more about. Each order is a unique transaction, and by selecting it, you're diving into all the details surrounding that customer's purchase. Here, you'll find in-depth purchase information, including products ordered, billing, and shipping details, and any notes that might have been added to the order. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section because it allows you to handle customer inquiries promptly and manage orders efficiently. And there you go, just a few clicks, and you're viewing customer orders swiftly and effortlessly. This streamlined process helps you keep track of sales and manage your online store with ease. Remember, getting comfortable navigating the dashboard and understanding order details is key to providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. If you practice this routine regularly, you'll find that managing your WooCommerce orders becomes second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in improving your store management skills. Keep watching our channel for more useful tips and tricks on managing and optimizing your